Hi there guys, it's Chris from Any Colour Car. Hope you're all well. Just going to give you a little virtual tour of the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost that's landed in stock with ourselves. And as you can see, it's a stunning motor. So this one's finished in the bright metallic red, as you can obviously see. And it's got a couple of little lovely optional extras as well, like the privacy glass. And that's just a few things to mention. So here at Any Colour Car, we like to make it as hassle-free as we possibly can for our customers, and we believe the best way to do that is to make sure they're all mechanically prepped before they go up to the showroom, and then once again before they go out to the customer. We're also very open and transparent, and like I say, we're not going to deny there is going to be odd age-related mark, but like I say, they get prepped to a very high standard from our valet team to make sure that they're in the best possible condition they can be. Rear seats in fantastic condition, and that doesn't stop in the front either. This one's also got the electric folding wing mirrors as well. And the mileage, as you can see, is extremely low for the year, only 37,360. Also your multifunctional steering wheel controls. This is the 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got your cup holders, USB points, and a 12 volt. That's how you can control the temperature control. And this is the system you use as well for the little screen at the back. So your DAB radio, AM and FM. You can also connect your aux to it.
No USB device.
And also it's got the CD player as well. Right then guys, so that concludes our tour of the Ford Fiesta. If you do have any other questions, like I said, please don't hesitate to get in touch, or you can visit us at anycolourcar.com and we'll help you out from there. Thanks for your time.